Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily send a large file through WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So first, open up WhatsApp and then get into some conversation. I'm just gonna open up conversation with myself. And if you want to send a large file on WhatsApp, then you should know that WhatsApp always compresses the file and reduces the video quality. So if you don't want to lose video quality, you can send this video as a file. So first you're gonna open up Photos app and then I can just open up recent album. Then just find a video that you want to send on WhatsApp. Let it be that one. Then hit at this share icon, scroll down for a bit and select Save to Files. In that way. Then select a folder where you want to save this file. I'm just gonna select Downloads folder and hit on Save. So I have just saved this video as a file on my device. Now I can move on to the WhatsApp and hit at that plus sign to upload that file. And right here, instead of selecting photo and video library, you have to tap Add document. It opens up Downloads folder, and right from here you can scroll down until you find that video file. Here it is. You can also use search to be able to search by the name if there are a lot of different files. Then you can just check mark it and hit on Open. After that, all you have to do is just hit on Send to send a large video file as a file without losing any video quality. So now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my WhatsApp tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.